How to delete pins on Pinterest. First of all, open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. In the Pin section, tap on any pin to view it. If you want to delete this pin, then tap on the three dots below it. Tap on Edit Pin. Here, tap on Delete this pin. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this pin. You can repeat this to delete other pins on Pinterest as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete pins on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.